Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a mixed grammar and vocabulary quiz. Let's begin. Question 1. Neither of them dash home. The correct option is A. Is. Neither of them is home. Question 2. She has lived here dash 5 years. The correct option is 4. She has lived here for 5 years. Question 3. She is known dash her honesty. The correct option is A. 4. She is known for her honesty. Question 4. What is the past tense of teach? The correct option is B. Taught. Question 5. He is weak dash mathematics. The correct option is B. In. He is weak in mathematics. Question 6. What is the plural form of foot? The correct option is C. Feet. Question 7. He walked slowly dash he was tired. The correct option is A. Because. He walked slowly because he was tired. Question 8. He was ashamed dash his behavior. The correct option is C. Of. He was ashamed of his behavior. Question 9. I will call you when he dash back. The correct option is A. Comes. I will call you when he comes back. Question 10. My brother is junior dash me. Correct option is B. 2. My brother is junior to me. Question 11. I am not interested dash politics. The correct option is B. In. I am not interested in politics. Question 12. If I dash you, I would apologize. The correct option is C. Were. If I were you, I would apologize. Question 13. I don't know dash she will come or not. The correct option is A. Whether. I don't know whether she will come or not. Question 14. I am looking forward dash meeting you. Correct option is C. 2. I am looking forward to meeting you. Question 15. What is the synonym of obstinate? The correct option is A. Stubborn. Question 16. Would you like dash tea? The correct option is B. Some. Would you like some tea? Question 17. What is the comparative form of good? The correct option is B. Better. Question 18. She has been working here dash 2015. The correct option is C. Since. She has been working here since 2015. Question 19. She's afraid dash spiders. The correct option is A. Of. She's afraid of spiders. Question 20. He is fond dash reading books. The correct option is C. Of. He is fond of reading books. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.